Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to NCS Radha's Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. Class 6th, Board CBSE, Subject Science, Topic Things Around Us, Part 4. In previous part, we discussed about ecosystem, abiotic and biotic ecosystem, and interactions between interactions between biotic components of an ecosystem and flow of nutrients. Right? Today we are going to discuss about interactions between abiotic and biotic components of an ecosystem such as temperature, air and water, soil, water and light. You see, interactions between abiotic and biotic components of an ecosystem. Abiotic components have a strong impact on behavior and relationships to the living organism. Right? Let us learn the effects of abiotic components on biotic components. Okay? First one, temperature. How does it helps to or interact to living organism? Temperature measures how hot or cold a place is, right? Here, temperature determines the kind of plants and animals that can survive at a place. Let me say some example how the abiotic components helps to the biotic component, right? You see, here flowers bloom during spring when the temperature is mild. Then many birds hatch their eggs in spring. Then see, on the basis of temperature, we can classify into cold-blooded animal and warm-blooded animal. Right? Here, their body temperature their body temperature depends on whether it is hot or cold. That kinds of animals are called cold-blooded animals. Here, crocodile, frog, chameleon are the examples of cold-blooded animals. See children, when crocodile feels too hot, it will be inactive. It comes out from the water, it gets heat from the sun. After that, when it gets too hot, again it enters into the water, it cools their body. Okay, so here the winter, cold and hot, the temperature is a abiotic components interact with the biotic component of frog and crocodile. Next, warm-blooded animals. See, here their body temperatures do not change. These are the warm-blooded animals, right? Their body temperature do not change with respect to the changes in the temperature of their surroundings are called warm-blooded animals. Here you can see some examples of cold-blooded animal and warm-blooded animal. See here alligator, fish, snake, lizard, frog, crocodile are the examples of cold-blooded animal. Next, elephant, dog, whale, human being, vulture, cat. These are the examples of warm-blooded animals. Next, air and wind. See children, if you take the atmosphere, 78% of nitrogen, okay, 21% of oxygen, the remaining 1% of other gases, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, other gases are present in the atmosphere, right? Here, air and wind. Oxygen is needed by living organism for respiration, and carbon dioxide is needed by plants for photosynthesis. So, here oxygen and carbon dioxide play an important role in the world, in the environment. Okay. So, this is air and wind. See, moving of air is called wind. Okay. Here, wind helps to disperse seeds of plants to distant places. See, here dandelion and maple, these seeds dispersed by wind. Next, soil. See, the soil fertility determines the kind of plants that grow in an area. Minerals are found in the soil. See, many minerals are found in the soil. For example, iron, manganese, copper, zinc. These are the minerals are present inside the soil. The root absorb the minerals and transfer into the other parts of the plant. Okay. Then, fertility of soil. You see, the minerals present in the soil also affect flavor and nutrient content in fruits and vegetables. So, soil is very important to grow the plants. Okay. Next, water. See children, water is very, very important for human being. If you take the living organism, water is very, very important to living organism, right? Here, water is essential for life. Okay. So, water important to plants and animals. Water plays a vital role in our body. See, here human being need water to drink and do many metabolic process takes place in our body, right? Then if you take animals need water to drink. See here pond, right? Inside the pond aquatic organisms are there. The aquatic organisms need dissolved oxygen to respire. So, water is very important in our life. The next one, light. Light is very useful for plant as well as organisms, living organism. Here plants need sunlight. Why plants need sunlight? With the help of sunlight, it prepares their own food. Okay. Then see here some of the birds, when they feel too cold, they migrate to warmer places, right? See some of the these are the aquatic organisms. This organism also needs light because inside plants also living. Okay, how they prepare the food? With the help of the light, it can prepare their food. Next, here let's perform an activity to observe the effects of abiotic components on abiotic components. See, what is the aim of this activity? To observe the germination of seeds in the presence or absence of water. What are the materials needed? Here, 2 bowls, cottons and seed, that is a green gram seeds. Okay. What is the procedure? First you take 2 bowls. Then inside the bowls you spread the cotton. Okay. In first bowl you sprinkle some water. After that you put inside the green gram. In second bowl don't sprinkle the water. Okay. Leave for 2 days. We do not disturb that. Right. Then what will we observe this? With moist cotton, the seeds germinated. Without moist cotton, the seeds does not germinate. So, how we can conclude this activity? Abiotic factors such as water affect the germination of seeds, which are biotic components. Water is a abiotic components. It interact with biotic components, that is a germination of seeds. Okay, children, we have come at the end of the lesson. You see, up to this we discussed, this is a final part, 4 part. In first part we discussed things around us and their characteristics. First 3 characteristics we discussed about in first part. In second part we discussed the remaining characteristics, right? In the third part we discussed the ecosystem and biotic and abiotic ecosystem and interactions between the biotic components of an ecosystem and flow of energy discussed in the third part. This is the fourth part. In this part, interactions takes place in biotic and abiotic components, air, water, wind, soil and temperature. Okay. I hope you all understood the topic. Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.